Bitcoin is getting ready for this massive breakout. We have been consolidating in this tight consolidation range for almost over 3 days now. And in the coming 24 hours, we will need to make a decision in which direction we are going to be breaking. So it is going to be the ultimate calm before the storm right now. A lot of liquidity has been building up on that top side. We are getting very close towards our approval window of our spot Bitcoin ETFs. So I can already tell you, this is going to be very interesting. Can we once again smash up that like button above the 40 likes? That would be amazing. And as always, let's first of all have a look into what's at imminent short term. And well, what we can be seeing over here is that actually still we are quite consolidating in this consolidation range. And during this time, well, altcoins are pumping as we kind of expected. Our Bitcoin dominance projection is still being followed very closely. So yeah, during this consolidation of Bitcoin, well, altcoins are kind of pumping towards the upside. This is exactly what we've been predicting for the last couple of weeks. But nonetheless, whenever Bitcoin is finally going to be seeing this massive breakout, I expect that all eyes will once again return towards Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is going to be creating this massive next move. So that is very important to keep in mind. You already right now want to be preparing yourself for this next Bitcoin move. And during this Christmas weekend, we are actually kind of dumping towards the downside. Our CME close price has been about that 44k level, and while currently the Bitcoin price is trading about $400 below it, which because of this, I do expect that Bitcoin is going to be retracing back towards the CME close price, because typically during a weekend, this is very often what Bitcoin exactly does. So during this weekend, we can be expecting some kind of a bump back towards our CME close price, and then I hope beginning next week we can be seeing this next massive breakout. I do not like to trade patterns during the weekend, so if we are going to be breaking out on a Monday, I'm definitely going to be interested in trading this breakout. But if we are going to be breaking out during the weekend, well, I'm going to be a little bit more skeptical. And we can perfectly see that we are getting squeezed inside this support level where we are getting supported from, and also from this resistance level where we are also perfectly getting resistance from. So yeah, we are getting squeezed in between these two very important levels. Anytime soon, we are going to be breaking out either towards the upside or towards the downside, which in either direction our breakout is going to be decisive in my opinion. But what we can be seeing is very interesting, because we are creating a lot of liquidity towards the upside, and usually around Bitcoin does tend to follow the liquidity, and right now the majority of the liquidity is towards the upside. So it would be more likely that we are going to be seeing this push towards the upside being created. So that is very important to keep in mind. Yes, we can be breaking in either direction, and also a break in either direction will definitely be decisive. But in my opinion, I just think it is going to be more likely that we are going to be seeing this break towards the upside, because first of all, we can be seeing that liquidity is piling up towards the upside, and second of all, which is going to be very important, we are just days out from our spot Bitcoin ETF approval. Our approval window is rapidly nearing, just about 11 days out right now, and definitely because we are so close towards the acceptance of the spot Bitcoin ETF, because of this we will probably see massive price increases in the coming few days to weeks leading in towards this event. It has been already happening for the last couple of months actually, where we have been seeing price increases all of the time, basically leading in towards this event. But right now we are still getting close, and I do think leading in towards this event we are going to be seeing even more price increases. So yeah, in general I'm still going to be actually rather bullish over here. Now if we are going to be seeing some kind of a breakdown, definitely I do think it is going to be actually a pretty good buying opportunity, and in that case I'm just going to be having a look into what's our next support level for a next new buying opportunity. opportunity for me. And if we are going to be seeing this break towards the upside, which in my opinion, I think in the end of the day is going to be more likely, well then I'm just going to be eyeing my longer term targets, which is going to be ranging from off the 46k level towards all the way up towards the 48k level. Now guys, if you are as well going to be interested in trading, make sure to go ahead towards that link in the description, because you can right now claim a free $1,000 trade on Bitcoin. So make sure to claim this free airdrop position. You can easily register a new account, trade with your free money, and then of course afterwards you can withdraw your money. So yeah, very easy. I would definitely take advantage of this free trade with this new breakout that we could be getting. And as well, the last thing I quickly want to touch on is Ethereum, because I can see a lot of hate right now on Ethereum because Solana is in the spotlight, but this is usually all of the time how it goes. Ethereum is being hated on because Ethereum is not really moving, but then suddenly Ethereum will shine again. And usually around, I've seen it many times, that is exactly what is happening. So in my opinion, I would not be surprised to see Ethereum in the coming few weeks to the coming few months actually moving very, very huge. So guys, just keep this in mind. Just do whatever you want with this information. But if you do want to be staying up to date about every single market development, make sure to be following me on Twitter. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.